Hello everybody, this is Valeria from Services by Valeria with an update about the Genius Act signed into law as of July 18th, 2025. And if you didn't know, you're finding out now. The Genius Act significantly alters the landscape of cryptocurrency taxation in the US. I'm going to give you a summary, basically 6 of the most important stipulations that could affect you come tax season. Number 1 is going to be mandatory reporting. So basically all cryptocurrency transactions must be reported to the IRS, including sales, exchanges between cryptocurrencies, purchases, and receipt of cryptocurrency as payment. So if you're a contractor or you provide services and they pay you with cryptocurrency, you got to report it. Now, all brokers must issue Form 1099-DA to detail these transactions, and that's important. Number 2 is going to be capital gains taxation. Cryptocurrencies are treated as property. This means that capital gains tax rules do apply. Taxpayers must calculate gains or losses based on the difference between the purchase price and the sale price. So short-term capital gains are taxed at ordinary income rates, while long-term gains are taxed at a lower preferential rate, meaning the longer you hold on to it, obviously, the less you're going to pay, right? So number 3 is going to be the minimis exemption, or the trivial exemption, as I call it. The trivial exemption is for basically small transactions. It allows taxpayers to avoid reporting or paying taxes on gains of less than $200. And this is supposed to simplify compliance for everyday purchases. Number 4 is going to be taxation of staking and mining income. And I know this is really popular. So basically, any income earned from staking and mining activities is taxable as ordinary income at the time that it is received. This means that taxpayers must report the fair market value of the cryptocurrency when it's received. Number 5 is going to be increased penalties for non-compliance, and this is important. This law imposes stricter penalties for failing to report cryptocurrency transactions. So non-willful violations or mistakes, not knowing the law, or a simple oops can incur a penalty of up to $10,000 per failure to report, with higher penalties for willful violations. Number 6 is going to be transition relief. So the IRS is going to provide a transition relief period for 2025. This is going to allow additional time for taxpayers and brokers to comply with the new reporting requirements without incurring penalties for good faith efforts and to comply with basically the new laws. In other words, they don't want any excuses in the future because they're giving you time to get to know, right? There you have it. I hope this emphasizes the importance of accurate reporting and the compliance for anyone engaging in cryptocurrency transactions. And remember, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Services by Valeria is here year-round to help you stay up to date with the latest tax law changes. So for now, take care and God bless. Bye.